everyone, welcome back to my channel Urmisha Edu World. Today I will show you how I rename the column names in Python. As you can see here, I have already imported a sample data which is on unicorn companies and stored this file in a data frame and called it as df. And you can also see here these are the column names, and few of the columns are way big in size or the names are little big, so I want to change them and reduce and rename those column names. So how I can do that? In Python, you have to first call your data frame, and after that, using the dot, call the rename function. In this rename function, as you want to change the column name, so let's say here date joined and this select investors, which are actually is a investors. So I want to definitely want to change the name of these two, at least. So let's write within the parenthesis columns. As we want to change the columns is equal to, now in the curly braces you have to mention what is the already existing column name, that is here let's say date joined, within a quote, single quote or double quote you can use it, and then after that write colon. After this, now give it a sign what exactly the column name you want a change here. So the new column name, so I want to assign here doj, that is date of join. Similarly, if I want to uh, add and rename the one more investors, this is select investors. So right here the already existing column name, which is investors. So and then using colon, now again within the single quotes write what exactly the column name you want to change here. So I will write here investors. Okay, and after the after this curly braces, which is second braces completed, now add a comma here and write in place is equal to true. This makes your column renaming permanent. Now run this cell, it's successful. Now let's check this by calling df.head on the first 5 records and see is it exactly matching or not. So yes, you can see here the date of join is now changed to DOJ, and the select investors is now changed to investors. So this is how you can, there is no change in the records, it's just a change in the column name. So this is how you can simply rename the column names in Python. I hope you like this video, and if you really like, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next video.